How to use Hma-Vpn Android app. Before we begin, the company is very pleased to announce that their latest Hma-Vpn Android app, 2020 edition, is now available for download on the Google Play Store. Their Hma-Vpn Android app easily connects your Android device to our VPN service, meaning that you can also surf and use your phone or tablet anonymously. Getting started with Hma-Vpn Android app of 2020. When starting our app, you'll see the login screen. Log in with your Hma-Vpn username and password or license key. If you were already logged in a previous version of our app and upgraded to the new client, you will be automatically logged in. Our Hma-Vpn Android app easily connects your Android device to our VPN service, meaning that you can also surf and use your phone or tablet anonymously. Here are their top features. Easily select VPN servers from around the world. We offer multi-language support. You don't need technical skills or special knowledge to set it up. You can connect or change your IP with just one tap. Our application uses the most secure VPN protocol, and that is OpenVPN registered. Add your favorite servers using favorites feature. Purchase and register your subscription directly from within the app. If you are experiencing any difficulties, submit a ticket via menu. After you have successfully downloaded and installed the app from Google Play Store and started it for the first time, the first step is to log into your Hma-Vpn account. Note, if you don't already have an account, you can either register from the app using the button Start Free Trial or go to www.hidemyas.com and click on Join Now. For a more detailed explanation on how to register within the app, please follow this video, How to Register VPN Android app. Now, when you have logged in with your account, our app checks if your VPN subscription is active. Once that is confirmed, you can use the app to establish a VPN connection on your device. The first step is to log in into Hma-Vpn Android app, choosing one of the following. Either log in with your email/username and password or enter your license key. Before connecting, there are several options you can consider when choosing the right server for you. Quick access. The quick access feature. In order not having to scroll through the server list each time you want to switch servers, we have the quick access feature. It shows the recently connected to servers, and Lightning Connect, that automatically connects you to the fastest server to your real location. All servers list. Favorites. Choose a server to add, then swipe left on a server to add it to your favorites. Now you can switch to the Favorites tab on the top right and see any country or server you've added. Tap the location to select it for the next VPN connection. You'll get asked if you want to connect there right away or just save it for your next connection. Menu items and submenus. In the Hma Android app, tap the menu button in the bottom right corner to see the main menu. About, shows version of the Hma app installed and legal info. Help Center, opens the Hma knowledge base for the Android app. Contact support, creates and submits an email to the Hma support team. Account, contains information about your account. Settings, choose to connect automatically. 3. Help and contacting Hma-Vpn customer support. When tapping the contact support menu item, a window such as the one in the screenshot here, will open. If you are logged in with your Hma-Vpn credentials in the app, your email address will be automatically entered. If you wish to use a different email address, you can just change it, but in this case please don't forget to mention your Hma-Vpn account username in the ticket text, so we can find your account and possible causes of the problem you are having. Please enter a descriptive subject, e.g. unable to connect with the Android app, rather than just help. In the ticket text, please include as much information as possible about your problem. The app will automatically include extra information about your account and your device, which will make it easier for us to solve your problem. You do not have to send this information to us, but it is very helpful for our support team if you do include it. Please make sure to leave Include Diagnostics checked. You can tap the diagnostics part to see which data will be transmitted to us. Please note that providing us with this data will save you and us time to solve any problem you might possibly have, e.g. order reference number, error message, your location.